humbly request the Bharatiya Janata Party's National Vice President, Shri Vaijayan Panda ji, to kindly speak a few words. Kindly, sir.
Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Sarvanand Sonowal ji, Honorable Senior Minister, Shri Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma ji, Dr. Jitendra Singh ji, Shri Dilip Saikia ji, the author of the book, Dr. Anirban Ganguly ji, Dr. Shri Ranjit Das ji, the publishers, distinguished guests, and delegates here. It's a great honor to be able to speak at this important occasion on the release of the Assamese version of this book on one of the tallest political personalities of the contemporary era, and the concomitant continued rise of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now, the Bharatiya Janata Party, as was mentioned a little bit earlier, has seen a series of tall leaders over the decades who have built it up, so that today it has come to be not only India's, but the world's largest political party, with the level of engagement from the booth level right up to the Prime Minister's level, which fascinates the whole world. And in this, the role of Shri Amit Shah ji in recent years in taking forward this party is known to all, but the details are worth understanding. He is a phenomenon, and has played one of the key roles in the historic decisions taken by the Modi government of many pending issues for decades that the Prime Minister had the courage to take forward, ably assisted and planned for by Shri Amit Shah ji. Now, there are other speakers that we all want to hear. I don't want to go into it in great detail, but you are aware that India has taken a historic turn where our image stands tall in front of the entire world in terms of coming to help the world during the COVID crisis, in terms of standing up for our own rights, in terms of standing up against bullying from other nations, of a kind that we have not seen before in independent India. And Shri Amit Shah ji, as I said, has played a very key role in this, and it's worth understanding. I just want to add a couple of other things. When Dr. Ganguly referred to the fact that Amit Shah ji has taken an interest in having libraries in every party office, it really doesn't come as a surprise to those of us within the party who interact with him on a regular basis. Because sometimes portions of the media deliberately try to twist the image of the BJP, of our Venerable Prime Minister, and of very senior leaders. But in my personal experiences, in interacting with Amit Shah ji, he is one of the most well-read persons that I have met in politics. We have had discussions on world politics, on world history, on issues of policy, on issues of philosophy that are extremely exhilarating to participate in. We have all had similar kinds of experiences with different mentors, with a favorite professor maybe. But to experience that kind of discussion with a well-read politician is rare. And I can speak from personal experience because, like Dr. Ganguly, I myself am a writer. I've had 2 books published. I've had hundreds of columns published. And so I can speak with a great deal of confidence that this is extremely rare. I want to conclude by referring also to the effort by Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma ji. Now, Anirban ji talked about his enormous energy in walking, speaking, and doing all other things, and simultaneously writing. You missed out bicycling. Oh, you did. I must tell you, this is equally impressive that for the kind of time that Himanta ji has devoted to politics, continues to devote on a 24/7 basis, to be able to devote any additional time to authorship, to translation, is mind-boggling for me. As I said, I myself am a writer, but I find it difficult to read, let alone write, even on a stationary exercise bicycle. So for him to do this while he's having these rallies of tens of thousands of people participating in our internal discussions in the middle of an election, it's extremely praiseworthy. I wish Himanta ji continues this effort, continues to write, continues to illustrate some of these personalities that he has special access to. And I think it will be worth it for us as readers, not just as people involved in politics. Once again, I would like to thank everybody present here, especially my senior colleagues from the Chief Minister onwards on the dais. I would like to thank the publishers for bringing this important book in Assamese to the people of Assam. I believe it will be well worth reading for the people of Assam. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.